I think now I'll give you as my last entry there. I said I'd do a cowboy thing, and this is the Cowboy Irish song, and I'll do the first verse in Irish, the second verse translated into English, and the third verse is translated into American, specifically American Cowboy with new lyrics. But that's often how these things happen, and you can find a good tune set to 100 lyrics. So keep your ears open. Here it goes in the Irish. Go Joe a Rishni, rocket go Cashaleg, Gil no rec mo flanta, no amaraguna seta emo he kushpala, emo skain charlate saraja. And in the translation, I'll never go again to Cashel, selling myself in hire, selling my freedom by the wall, sitting by the roadside. And in the American West, a couple of 100 years later, I struck the trail in 73, the herd strung out behind me. As I jogged along, my mind went back to the gal I left behind me. Boderina chitty egg, tia gera capel egg, fee free and Willem Heraldsha. Tinam hun shul, ta anker safadish shul on Spailpin Fanaugh. A rude boorish men from everywhere coming on their horses. Come away with me, the road is long, the road of the wandering worker. If I ever get off this trail, boys, and the Injuns, they don't find me, I'll make my way straight back again to the gal I left behind me. And I think that'll be it for now.